are going to enter to the biggest tunnel we found in Gaza, the biggest secret of Sinwar, his project, his subterranean tunnel project. We're going to enter. It was a secret that we have revealed that was meant to target the crossing close to coexistence. This tunnel have revealed by our forces. It was all, and they used the extension of the tunnel also for tunnel, the subterranean tunnel constructed by Muhammad Sinwar. This is the Sinwar project tunnel that was meant to do a terror attack. Without demolishing the tunnel project of Hamas, we cannot demolish Hamas. Hamas has spent millions of dollars in this project specifically. We will keep on doing our main mission.
This place right above us, being in a distance
for this tunnel that ends 400 meters from the Erez crossing. Erez crossing that symbolizes hope for Palestinians, that thousands of Palestinians were going to work from this crossing inside Israel. This is Hamas, this is why we have to defeat Hamas. And it takes time, because when we need to demolish this kind of tunnels and reveal and demolish, it takes time.
Another weapon.
צריך עוד פעם בתמונה עכשיו.
No, they said it's a storage room.
This is one of these secret weapons.
And this is the tunnel that they used to attack the Erez crossing.
Cement, very strong cement, electricity, there's water.
they've entered the base in two different places. One of them is the main gate. You can see the results of the explosion. On the 7th of October, one of the places that took a severe attack is this headquarters, my headquarters, and the Erez crossing.
Right, Chris, we gotta move.
רגע, עוד לא קדימה. אוקיי. ניכנס לפה.